I already got two matching 440s with no motors, and well, I get to use the tunnels actually, but I really just got them for the tracks. We're going to put the two tracks on a lawn tractor and make a skid steer, because that would be cool and it would solve my two problems in the snow, being the lawn tractors don't turn well and they don't get very good traction even with chains. So this is exciting. Just all junk. The tracks are missing a lot of these little doobly-doos, so they don't, I think the other one's in worse shape. They don't stay on. You go flat out and just fly off. See, this one has worn into the slider, and that's pretty crappy, and it's slid off the side a little bit and worn out. So they can't be really reused on a new sled, but it'll work great for a skid steer.